welcome once again to another question on Jamb. So today we are just going to discuss this. I think this is the probability question. Always put it at the back of your mind that probability is just about favorable outcome upon possible outcome, total possible outcome, right? You can say required outcome upon total possible outcome. So let's see if we can do this in less than 60 seconds or more. Good. Now, so some balls we have put, some white balls actually we have put in a basket containing 12 red balls and 16 black balls. Now, if the probability of picking a white ball is 3/7, how many white balls were there? Since we don't know the number of white balls, we can note it as x, right? So that the total probability now will be probability of obtaining the other two balls, where you have 12 red balls plus 16 black balls plus the number for the white, which we don't know. So this is going to give us 28 plus x, right? Now the probability we already know, the probability of the basket containing white ball is 3/7, right? So we can do the probability, which is x, which we don't know, 28 plus x is going to give us what? 3/7. Fantastic. So we can do cross multiplying. We have 3x is equal to 84 plus 3x, right? So we can collect like terms. We have 7x minus 3x is equal to 87. So we're left with here, if we take out this, we have 4x is equal to what? 84. If you divide both sides by 4, x is going to be what? 21. So I've done it in less than a minute, or like 10 seconds more. So you can see clearly that this you can do. If you have the calculator, it will be faster, but if you can multiply, it's faster. Now you're required to do it in like 1 minute 30 seconds, but if you can do it within 1 minute, it's actually fantastic. So this is the number of the red ball over here. Fantastic. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video, and please remember to subscribe and share it so that this video can be sent to as many Jambites as possible. Thank you. See you in the next video.